Nestled in the bustling heart of Malé, the capital of the Maldives, stands a timeless symbol of faith and artistry, Hukuru Miskiy, also known as the Old Friday Mosque. Built in 1658 during the reign of Sultan Ibrahim Iskandar I, this mosque isn't just the oldest in the Maldives. It's an architectural masterpiece carved entirely from coral stone. Constructed on the site of an even older mosque from 1153, Hukuru Miskiy reflects the Maldives' deep-rooted Islamic traditions. Its history stretches back to a time when the islands transitioned from Buddhism to Islam. One of its most striking features is the Gopuram-style minaret, built in 1675, a rare sight in Islamic architecture, blending South Asian and Maldivian influences. Surrounding the mosque, ancient tombstones mark the resting places of sultans and scholars, each stone a silent witness to the Maldives' rich past. Step inside to discover stunning lacquered woodwork, intricate carvings, and the 13th century mihrab commemorating the Maldives' conversion to Islam, a true testament to local craftsmanship. Travel tip: dress modestly to respect the sacred space. Visit during non-prayer hours to explore freely. Don't forget your camera. Every detail is a masterpiece. More than just a place of worship, Hukuru Miskiy is a living monument, a bridge between the Maldives' ancient past and its vibrant present.